Hi there, my name is Taylor. I'm a reading and dyslexia specialist, the owner of Ascend Tutoring, and the creator of the Ascend Literacy and Dyslexia Certification Program. And if you are here, you are wondering how you can become a dyslexia tutor. And I am so excited to share with you all of the exact steps that you should take to becoming a dyslexia tutor. The first step is to make sure you're a good fit. So you want to make sure that you love working with kids, you're passionate about literacy, you have the skills or will be willing to learn the skills of being your own boss, willing to communicate with parents, set up your own schedule, choose your rates. And lastly, you feel like you can be very patient and very hands-on when you're working with students, very attentive to their needs and willing to be patient, because these kids who have dyslexia are going to require a lot of your time, attention, and patience as you help them learn to read. The second step is to get training and certification in a structured literacy-based program. A great program will train you in structured literacy, research-based teaching methods and strategies proven to help kids who have dyslexia. And a great program will also give you specific training on how to assess and remediate skills in phonological awareness, phonic decoding, and orthographic mapping. A great program will also give you a full view of understanding word reading difficulties, how to take the research we know about how to help kids with reading and put it into practice, and give you lots of experience in learning and then applying what you're learning. A great program will also have an embedded practicum experience in the program, meaning you're going to learn things in the program and then apply it with students and get feedback on your teaching, which will help you be confident and really refine your skills as a dyslexia tutor. And if you're looking for a program that would be a great fit for you, I highly recommend that you check out my program, which is the Ascend Literacy and Dyslexia Certification Program. All of these elements and more are embedded into my program, and it's going to give you a thorough training to really be confident and really understand how to help kids with dyslexia. You can learn more by going to my website, which I will put like right here, or in my bio if you want to learn more specifically about my certification program. And the last step after you've taken a structured literacy-based program is to start building and growing your tutoring practice. So a few things to think about when you're getting started with this step is to look into state and local laws for starting a business and also working with kids who have dyslexia. You also want to start advertising your services and getting the word out there that you're a dyslexia tutor. You can post your information to schools, post them in local Facebook groups, and really just get the word out there that you are a dyslexia tutor and you're willing to work with kids who have dyslexia. You will also want to think about and plan some of the logistics in your business, like where you want to tutor at, if you want to do it in person or virtually, the structure of your sessions. So do you want to do it one-on-one? Do you want to do it in a group setting? How long will your sessions be? And also something like an agreement that you maybe want to set up to have parents sign, and whatever terms that you want to set for working with their children. And lastly, I just want to say that if you have been trained appropriately in a structured literacy-based program and you learn the methods that kids with dyslexia, kids who struggle with reading, need to be able to make progress, then you are going to see, as you start your practice, as you find the kids that need help with reading and you use the approaches that you learn in your structured literacy-based program, you will see your kids and your students progress, and this is going to in turn help you get more clients. You're just going to have this revolving door of families who want to have you work with their children. There are a lot of struggling readers out there. There are a lot of kids that need help, and if you have the right training and certification, it is the biggest key to your success as a tutor. I hope that you found this video helpful and useful if you are wanting to become a dyslexia tutor.